Hello everyone, I welcome you again in another session of PT 2 minutes. Read this question carefully and try to come up with the right answer. Also, comment your answers in the comment box. I'll give you some time. Alright, so this question is regarding the elections. Elections are coming up and we should know a little bit about elections. So first pair, it says to contest an election to a seat of Lok Sabha, the candidate must be an elector in any parliamentary constituency of India. This is correct. Remember that Prime Minister Modi, he is from Gujarat, but he contests election from Varanasi. So this pair is correct. The only issue which some candidate may get, that what if this statement said that to contest an election to any seat of Lok Sabha, then this will not hold true, because there are certain seats for which you have to be more than a elector in any parliamentary constituency. For example, seat in Sikkim. Okay, so for a general statement that for a seat in Lok Sabha, you have to be a basically elector in any parliamentary constituency. So this is correct. Now, second statement says to a similar statement regarding legislative assembly, and you have to be an elector for that any assembly in that state. So this is also correct. Remember that Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he was earlier Chief Minister and he contested election for MLA, but he cannot unless he registered himself as an elector from let's say UP or MP, he will have to contest from Gujarat only. So the second statement is also correct. Read the third one. It says to contest an election to a seat of Rajya Sabha, the candidate must be an elector in any parliamentary constituency of India. Earlier this was not true, but in Kuldeep Nair case in early 2000s, this was upheld by Supreme Court that you have to basically fight for the cause for that state, but you don't have to be an elector in that state. You can be an elector in any parliamentary constituency of India and you can contest election for Rajya Sabha. So all of these pairs are correct, and the correct answer will become C, all three. I'll ask you one more question, that comment in the comment box who all prime ministers were from Rajya Sabha. They were not from Lok Sabha. So comment in the comment box, and for more such videos and discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.